And today our man in jazz is Wes.
Maybe this dude up here that rides a and stuff back up there, it's pretty cool. What the fuck?
Is because my bike got stolen. Do you see my bike? Do you see my bike anywhere? There's an Apollo right there, but my bike's gone. My bike got stolen a couple days ago while I was riding, and you may say it's fake, but here's my proof. Y'all been wanting proof. Here's my proof. I can walk around everywhere, through the woods, around my house. My bike is gone. It just stopped raining. Today it's been raining since my bike got stolen. Haven't been able to get out on foot and action, just in case. Since my bike got stolen, just like that, ripped off of it, took it from me. Anything can happen now. Anything. My bike could literally be somewhere just deep in the woods, somewhere just, I don't know, hidden, or you have to be in the woods to even see it, because you know how it would be. Like, I don't know, dude, I'm telling you, it barely had gas. It has to be close, dude. It has to be close. It has to. I mean, dude, there's no other way. I know he didn't push it, and I know he couldn't drive, because, dude, he looked too young. Look, that goes deep down in there. It could be anywhere, just on either side. Just dip down, hiding in the bushes. Because I know, dude, I'm telling you, for sure, that crap was low on gas. Super low. It has to be around here. Has to be. 100%. Or that, or he took the bike, loaded it up. But I'm telling you, this dude didn't even look old enough to have his learner's license. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what happened. Don't know where my bike is, because if I did, don't you think I'd have my bike? Still looking. If I do find my bike, dude, it's gonna be a miracle. I'm telling you. People come out here, see if I see any dirt bike tracks or anything. But then again, it's been raining, so even if there was tracks from when it got stolen, the rain would have washed them away, and that's probably... Looks like there's a pretty new chain on this thing, and a fence that's broken over there, so I don't know what this driveway is. Guys, I'm gonna probably end the video here so I can keep looking for my bike. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Share this video. Please share the other video. Get the word out. I'm trying to catch. We're out. I called up one of my friends, and we're gonna go look for my bike in the car since it's not raining and we can see better. So we're going to go see if we can find it. Maybe we'll have some luck.